Speaker, it has now been more than a month since the Speaker of this province stood before the people of Limpopo and promised a full-scale investigation into what transpired at the SA National Schools Athletics Championship. That promise, made on 11 April 2025, came after learners were forced to sleep on buses without food and accommodation. It was not only a national embarrassment, but it was also opportunities lost for all those children involved. The Premier promised a report within 1 month. However, 2 months later, we have nothing. No report, no accountability, and no justice for those learners. Honourable Speaker, I will be failing in my duty if I do not speak on behalf of those children in this August House. Honourable Premier, the children wants to know from you, when will that report be released and what was the findings? Honourable MEC Sports, our children wants to know from you what accountability steps did you take against those responsible? The Premier herself said, and I quote, "This is not merely an isolated incident. It's a blatant pattern of negligence that we can no longer condone." Therefore, Honourable MEC Education, I ask you, on behalf of our children, who and what steps did you take to ensure that this pattern of negligence does not continue under your watch? If the Limpopo government is serious about protecting the dignity and future of our children, they must act and be seen to act with transparency and urgency and take accountability steps against those officials who are responsible for this neglect. The Democratic Alliance demands that immediate release of the full report, and we will not sleep nor rest until those officials who is responsible for the mistreatment of our children be held accountable. Thank you, Speaker.